In the last video, we have discussed various topics like closed curve, and in the closed curve, we have discussed polygon, and also we have solved several questions from the exercise 4.1 and 4.2. Today, we will discuss the next topic, that is the circle. We have to discuss here circle. As you can see in the figure, this figure represents circle. But here we have to know about the circle, that is what is the circle. Just take a glass and put it on a paper sheet and trace its boundary. After removing the glass, you will get a figure. Then the tracing figure is known as circle. Here we define the circle as the circle is a geometrical figure in which every point of its boundary is at equal distance from a fixed point. We define a circle is a geometrical figure in which each points are at equal distance from a fixed point from a fixed point. A circle is a geometrical figure in which every point are at equal distance from a fixed point. Every point of its boundary. We define circle is a geometrical figure in which every point of its boundary are at equal distance from a fixed point. This is the definition of a circle, that a circle is a geometrical figure in which every point of its boundary is at equal distance from a fixed point is called a circle. Here in the circle, in this figure, we can see that a curvilinear boundary. This curve is called boundary. This is the boundary. And as we know that any curve or line formed by infinite number of points arranged in an order, so that this curve is also formed by infinite number of points, so that we can say that each point of the boundary is situated at equal distance from a fixed point. So just suppose that this is the fixed point and each point of the boundary is at equal distance from this fixed point. Here we can see that each point, I just represent here only 4 points, but every point of its boundary is at equal distance from this fixed point O. Just suppose that the distance from O to the boundary is a centimeter, then each distance are a centimeter. So that we define a circle is a geometrical figure in which every point of its boundary is at equal distance from a fixed point. I hope the definition of the circle is clear. Now let's see the next. And this is the circle. Now we know that this is the circle by the definition. In this figure, we can see that the distance of these 4 points from the fixed point O are same. So I represent all the distance by the same letter, that is A. This fixed point O, the fixed point from where every distance are equal, known as center. So we say that the fixed point from where every distance are equal, known as the center. So if I ask you what you know about center, then you will say that as we define circle, we say that every point of the boundary are at equal distance from the fixed point. Then that fixed point is known as the center of the circle. And the next is radius. We have discussed circle, center also, and the next is radius. What is the radius? The radius of a circle is the distance. The radius of the circle is the distance from its boundary to the center. The radius of the circle is the distance from the boundary to the center is called radius. Generally, the radius is represented by the letter R. R represents the radius of the circle. And the boundary, this boundary is known as the circumference. Circumference. The boundary of the circle is called circumference. Here we can see that the total boundary of the circle is known as the circumference of the circle. Let's see some remark. As we know that the radius of the circle is denoted by the letter R, and the next, in a circle, infinite number of radii can be drawn, because we know that the center is a single point. We know that this is a point, and also we know that from a single point infinite number of lines can be passed, so that from this point infinite number of lines can be passed, and they will be radii of the circle, so that we can say that from the center of the circle infinite number of radii can be drawn. Radii is the plural form of radius. Radii is the plural form of radius. So when we say that from the center of the circle infinite number of radii can be drawn, that means radii is the plural of the radius. The next point is diameter. What is the diameter of the circle? There are many definitions to define diameter. We can say that the twice of the radius is known as diameter. The twice of the radius is known as diameter. Or we can also say that a line which divides the circle into two identical halves, then this line is known as diameter. Like this. This line divides the circle into two identical parts. Then this line is known as the diameter. If we draw another diameter in the circle, then we can say that like radius, there are infinite number of diameter can be also drawn. So that we define diameter. Diameter is the line which divides circle into two identical parts. So in the figure, the center is represented by the name O, and this is A and this is B. If from the figure we see that the length OA, is equal to the length OB, so that OAB is the diameter. OA is equal to OB, that means the diameter is twice than the radius. So let us see the next definition or other dimension. The definition of the diameter is the diameter is twice to its radius. Let's prove this fact by mathematical derivation. How we prove that the diameter is always twice to its radius? So let us see. In the figure, we see that AOB is the diameter. AB is the diameter of the circle. So we can write AB is equal to, we can break the line AB into two parts. The first part is OA and the second part is OB. So we can write AB equal to OA plus OB. And also we know that every point of the circumference or of the boundary is at equal distance from the center, so that the distance of OA is always equal to the distance of OB. So since OA is equal to OB, if OA is equal to OB, then we can write OA in place of OB. So we can write AB is equal to OA plus put OA in place of OB. Then we have OA, and this implies AB is equal to 2 times of OA. We represent the diameter by the capital letter D, and this is equal to 2 multiplied by, as we know that the radius of the circle is generally represented by the letter R, so we can write R. That means diameter is always equal to the twice of the radius. That is the proof of the fact is that diameter is the twice to the radius. So the fact is proved here, diameter is always twice to its radius. I hope every topic and every definition clear to everybody. Instead of this, if you have any doubt, then you can comment. I will try to clear your comment in the next video. So thank you for watching this video.